387 days ago, another war started. Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday, October the 28th, 2024. We have not so good news, because in today's newspaper we have only 3 regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary with 3 stars. Let me show you that in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Yesterday we have a lot of, well, in the weekend we have a lot of puzzles, the additional and the puzzle page. But today we have only 3 regular puzzles. Well, it's still autumn holiday here, so I think there's not a lot of puzzles in the holiday. News of the day, well, I've told you, 387 days ago another war started, not in Ukraine but in Israel, and it's still going on, yeah. Alright, enough about the war. This one will be number 9493. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 1 digit more. 26 should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, the question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So, let's get started. Let me see which one I'm gonna pick. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so row between. The second row, the only place level 7 should be there. 1 1 5 5, and the 5 here. Need an 8 here. Well, 5. Need a 9. Need a 9 here. 5 9 and the 3. 1 in this third row, 1 in the second row. So in first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 1. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. 7. Need a 6 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 2. Yep. In this, well, in this row we need a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, here, or there. We see another 2 in the third column, no 2 there. We see another 2 in the first column, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 who is supposed to be there. Alright. I need a 1 and a 5, okay. In this big square we need a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. And now we have a pair in the second column. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this big square, so no 1 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 2 numbers left now in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this first column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4, 4, 4. Then, let me see. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 in that row, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. 2 numbers left now in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2, 2. 2, 2, okay. Then 2, 2. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4, it should be there. 4, 4, and we have a pair in this big square. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those, well, I need to wait here. Yeah, 2 of those, no. Wait. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this third row, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now I can continue with this big square. 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have 2 and a 4 in this column, no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. We have 2 and a 4 in this row, so no 2 and a 4 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 2 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for 9. Could be here, could be there. Need a 5, need a 3, need a 6, 6, 3, 5, need a 8. 8. 8, 8. Alright. How about, come on, 4, 1, 6, need a 3 here, and I need a 3, 5, and a 2. In this middle column, we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for the number 5. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5, 8. Need an 8 here, I need 8 there. Need a 5, and I need a 9. 1 of the missing, no. We have already have a 9 here. Need a 7. Here, 7, 7. 6 in this row, third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left with a 6 should be there. 6, 6. Need a 6, need a 7. 7. And I need a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. What's happening? I need a 2 here. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. Overlooked. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4, need a 1 here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, now only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and a 5, we have 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 5, 3. No, need a 3 here. 5, 7, 8. 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number in the third row is number 3. Here can be 3, we have 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the only place left with 3 in the third row should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left with the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 supposed to be here. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left with 8 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left with 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only place left with 8 should be there. 1 box left now in this column. For number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 6, okay. 5 and 7. 2 missing numbers now in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 4, 6, and the 7. No, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. And look, we have a 4 and a 9 in this row, so no 4 and 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 6 and 5. Come on, we need a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and 3, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finishing 14 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.